and the largest e-commerce platform in the country, Shopee Philippines, when we call on the Vice President of Honor Philippines himself. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Stephen Chang to present the Excellence Contribution Award to Shopee Philippines.
Congratulations and thank you for all the support. Good afternoon, each and every one of you, everyone guys. Actually, I was supposed to be here. I had a business trip, but I know that this is a very, very important partnership for Honor and Shopee. That's why I flew in last night. This is a very, very big deal for us because Shopee has been a big partner from the start. As AC mentioned, we grew 2,000%, and I think we're around number 5 now, right, in Android mobiles in Shopee. For a new brand like us, considering 3 years pa lang si Honor here, it's still considered a new brand. We're very excited, very thankful for your help as well. Our e-commerce business has been growing rapidly. I do believe it's almost 20% now. It's because of you guys, to be honest. You're the one who trusted us first. Now, you are our biggest partner e-commerce-wise, and thank you very much. And thank you for our media friends and partners who went here, interviewed us, kahit medyo traffic sa labas. Thank you very much. Then thank you and congratulations.
All right, well, once again, congratulations.